up with G Herbo, how he ain't got a bond for a Thule. Is he on probation? I'm saying, like, if he was on probation, you don't get no bond for a Thule. You know what I'm saying? I seriously doubt that he didn't have bail money, so I'm probably sure he might have been a nigga on probation that got caught with a Thule. Ain't no bail, blood. You get caught on probation with a burner, it's a wrap, bro. The only reason why I got house arrest for my burner in this 5 years probation, 5 years felony, formal probation, and house arrest, because I had a lawyer, and because I wasn't on no probation or parole. I got off parole. I've been on parole. I just got off probation. I had just barely got off probation like a couple months earlier. So that's the only reason why I'll be sitting in jail right now. I'm glad I'll still be in jail right now. And that's the only reason. And because of Nori, I had a lawyer. Sexy little white girl lawyer. Blonde hair, blue eyes. Hot. Hot. 3 strikes. I ain't got no strikes, bro. I ain't got no strikes. See, the good thing about California, you have to get a violent crime to get a strike, right? So, like, your other strikes, they have to be violent crimes, like, you feel me? So you don't just get a strike because you go to jail. And me personally, my situation, I only have gun cases. Like, all my cases, like, every time I went to jail was basically possession of, for the same thing. I keep going to jail. I'm a dumbass nigga. You know you're a dumb nigga. I always go to jail for the same shit. Possession of firearm. Because I like, I'm a paranoid nigga. I like to keep them burners around. So, I always go to jail for possession of firearms, so I don't have no strikes, but I got 4 possessions of a firearm, but no strikes, but thank God. Not bragging on it, not bragging or glorifying, just thank God I don't got no strikes, though. Watching this bracket right now. Queen Street, I love y'all too. Selfie with the weed. With the weed. There's a lot of motherfuckers watching this bracket. You feel me? We gotta get those in. Blocked. What's this? Blocked. You allegedly keep them around. I mean, allegedly, like, before now, like, is what I meant. That's what I meant, before now, like, I learned my lesson now, like, kinda, I learned my lesson. So, yeah, before now, I like to keep burners around, like, just because, it's dangerous out here, but, and then we do have a constitutional right, but then, being a felon, I'm stripped of my constitutional rights, so I'm actually not supposed to have firearms, so that's why I don't have any now. That's why I don't have none. That's why I just stay in the house. Because when I stay in the house, I don't feel like I need a firearm. Only when I be out in the streets, I feel like I gotta have firearms around. Like, just because it's dangerous out here, though, that's it. But, when I'm in the house, I don't really need blood, so I'm good, man. Why do them game blunts go out so much?
Sorry about it. Do you only answer questions pertaining to criminal law? Yeah, right now I only practice criminal law, so I wouldn't be the one to ask for child custody stuff. But like I said, I do have great attorneys that I work with, and I have a great child custody family law friend. If it's California, I can definitely refer you to him, and he'll even give you special pricing if you tell him that I referred you. And as far as all of these inquiries about other states, I'm still a young attorney. I one day will expand. I will take other bar examinations, and I would like to have a presence all across the country. Obviously, Florida, New York, Texas are first on my list. So one day I'll be able to be everywhere and help you all. What should a passenger know that weed is legal? I'm not sure what. What should a passenger know now that weed is legal? So the passenger should know, and this is California, you guys, so the passenger needs to know that it's still illegal to smoke marijuana in a moving vehicle or while the driver is driving. It's still illegal. So, a lot of people have this misconception that as long as the driver isn't smoking while driving, then it's legal. You still can't have it burning in the car while you guys are moving. And even worse is if you get pulled over, then the cop has probable cause to search, because even though weed is legal, you are still not allowed to have certain amounts of marijuana. And I've even seen cops write incident reports like this because the cops know how to get around it, and the cops know, some cops are fucking stupid and they just don't even know how to do their job. But other cops kind of know what they're doing, so I've seen them write incident reports where it's like, oh, I smell marijuana, and even though marijuana is legal in California, I had probable cause to search for illegal amounts of marijuana. So they are, it still creates probable cause. You're still putting yourself in a situation where, it could be the deciding factor in whether or not you get searched. So the passenger should definitely know to just wait till you get home. I mean, shit, I've had long days too where I need a blunt, but just wait till you get home, Your hair looks good. Thanks, Lodizy, my best friend in the house. Okay. Let's see. Have you ever taken a case without pay? Just because you felt so strongly about a case and wanted to take the case. When I was working for Project for the Innocent, obviously they're very, they only do pro bono work. And they're very open about the fact that they don't accept pay. So earlier on in my career, I definitely did take stuff pro bono. Now, I've taken a couple cases where it's like I take like very, very, very small amount based on, situations where I know that the person really needs my help, and it's a situation where I know that I can actually help. I have, but obviously at the same time, I have bills to pay, and it's, at the end of the day, it's a business. So, to answer your question, yes, I have. I've taken stuff pro bono, but lately it's more of a situation where if somebody is short on cash, I still have to cover.